morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Linda. Hope you're having a great Thursday morning. Let's get started on our circle time. Okay, we're going to do that. Then we're going to do a book, and then we're going to do a science project. Okay? All right. Today's weather is going to be partly sunny to sunny. So we'll just put sunny up there. Okay? And our calendar is Thursday, June 11th, and the year is 2020. Good job. Let's walk over here to do our numbers today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try something different today. Let's go backwards and see if you could count backwards, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Okay, let's go over to our shapes. Our first one is a circle, square, rectangle, octagon, like the stop sign, triangle, oval, and diamond rhombus. Okay? Here's our colors. Black, blue, brown, pink, orange, white, yellow, purple, gray, green, and red. And let's do our days of the week. Okay? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Well, that was a good job, boys and girls. We're going to do our book, okay? So we'll start soon. Okay, boys and girls, we're ready for our book. It's called Llama Llama, Time to Share. And there's a train and some toys. Llama Llama playing trains, driving trucks, and flying planes. Someone's at the door. Who is it? Brand new neighbors come to visit. Llama, this is Nellie Grew. Look, she has a dolly too. Mrs. Grew, would you like tea? Come and have a cup with me. You two kids can play in there. And Llama, don't forget to share. Trains and trucks and puzzles too. What's the new girl going to do? Play with the kitchen? Build with blocks? Llama opens up his box. Nellie starts to build a town. Llama starts to frown. Nellie New makes walls and stairs. Llama watches from his share. Nellie stacks the blocks up high. Fuzzy Llama wants to try. It's a castle. Make it tall. Fuzzy Llama jumps the wall. Build a tower. Make a moat. Nellie's dolly rows a boat. What can Llama add? Maybe sharing's not so bad. Little baby New makes noise. Mrs. New gets jingly toys. Baby screams and kicks his feet. Mama thinks it's time to eat. Moms are talking, babies chewing. What's that new girl? What's she doing? Oh, disaster! Dolly drama. Nellie New has Fuzzy Llama. He's not hers. This isn't fair. Llama doesn't like to share. Well, that isn't very nice. There's the pictures. There's Llama. Fuzzy Llama ripped in two, all because of Nellie New. It's a llama emergency. Mama, Fix his arm for me. A bit of thread as good as new, but this is what we're going to do. I'll put Fuzzy on the stairs until you're sure that you can share. Nellie's story, Llama 2. It's time for something else to do. Maybe tractors, maybe not. Like to dress up? Not a lot. Let's play kitchen, make a cake. Nellie mixes, Llama bakes. Look, our fancy cake is done. What would make this game more fun? Fuzzy Llama on the stairs, there he is. Llama thinks it's time to share. Playtime's over, it's the end. But Llama has a brand new friend. Look, they're feeding them both. Nellie will be back, and then Llama wants to share again. It's always good to share, boys and girls. Okay? Now we're going to do our science project. Hi, boys and girls. Okay, I'm back for your science project. What we need is the muffin tin. You need a cookie sheet so that it doesn't get all over. We need baking soda and food coloring. And of course vinegar. So what we're going to do is we'll have a couple double colors because we don't have that many. We're going to put the food coloring in first into each muffin tin. This one's green. We did blue, yellow, and now this is green. Red. And we'll do blue again. And we'll do yellow again. Okay. Then what we do is we take baking soda, and put that in their container. We put a lot in there, maybe halfway full. And notice I covered all the colors. Because when we put on the vinegar, are you ready? They're all foaming all over. That's why you need the pan underneath. Otherwise, you could do this outside if you wanted to, but that one is not turning red. And there you have it. And if you want, you can keep putting it in there. As long as there's baking soda in there, you can keep putting vinegar in there. Okay, boys and girls? Well, I hope you enjoyed this project. Have a good day. Bye.